Yo a mí que esta sí te salió cara. Y ya la tienes.
Ah, ya, como que ya la tengo. Today, before I do the unboxing, I want to share with you guys this Hoya that's flowering for me. Again, Hoya Matoski. You can see it has a flower right here. And another one over here. And then also my Hoya Fischeriana over here on the side. This one also has a flower, or I'm not sure if it dropped it already, but right there, if you could see it. This one's is smaller, but it's kind of hard to look at. I cannot focus it for the love of God. There it is. Here it is. And I also have another one over here, where I might have two flowers here, actually. I'm gonna show you with you guys some of the Hoyas that are opening up with flowers. Right here I have Hoya benguetensis, and look at the flower on this one. Has a nice pink flower, very unique. Let me see if it has a smell. It doesn't, and it doesn't really have a fragrance right now. Here are the leaves. Very nice chunky leaves. Let me put this one back. And over here in the bottom, I do have Hoya. And stuck in the back here. Let me show you guys the flower. It's deep in there. Here it is Hoya Crimson Queen. Giving me a flower right there. I don't know why I have it in the greenhouse, but it has a flower. And before we do this unboxing, we have our papaya tree. Look at those little papayas coming out. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's focusing on my finger. 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 papayas growing on our papaya tree. And that's where we're at.
También porque dice que también con ella hay mucho.
También hay mucho.
Mucho ratón. Ya de tener más periquitos ella. Porque tenía una flechada.
Esta es de Gardinos, se llama.
¿Gardinos?
Gardinos Nursery.
¿Verdad? O
De la planta.
Lo que traen es mucho gardino. ¿Vas a guardar el gardino?
Oh, mira, ¿qué es eso?
Te mandaron un té. Como tú.
A ver, ese.
Como tú.
They are Hoya lover, Florida.
¿Sí lo está ahí en el azul?
Excited. Sí.
Yo a mí que esta sí te salió cara. Y ya la tienes.
Ah, ya, como que ya la tengo. Salió en 35.
Ay, no, qué bárbaro. ¿Cómo gastas tu dinero? Yo pensando tanto tiempo en comprar brasieres y tú hierba tras hierba.
Ah, Maro, te compraste como $120 de brasier.
No, como 100. ¿No dijiste que costaban 20?
¿Eh?
¿No dijiste
Sí,
que costaban
18.
20?
Ajá.
18 ni 100 fueron. Mira. Viene muriéndose, quiero que soples.
Ocupa agua.
Se viene muriendo. Está echando sus últimos.
Pero tiene de estas guías.
Está fea, quiero que sepas.
¿No te gusta?
¿Al precio?
Esta se llama...
Cara, al precio. Viene largando las hojas. No. Hay que quitarle esto.
¿Cómo se llama? Fischeriana. Fischeriana, quítale eso.
Yo sé que las grandes te cuestan como $100.
No, Carmela. Las lentes cuestan como $100.
Esta chiquita te costó más de $30.
Porque esa es una, oh, es una rara.
A ver. Cinco.
A ver,
Bueno, pero nos quedamos con el peduncle de la Sofía.
de la Sofía, a ver. Y has a pedonco. ¿Dónde está el peduncle?
Blanco.
Aquí está, ¿ya ves? No lo veo.
Para mí que esta ni raíz tiene, se viene muriendo.
Alright, so here is the Hoya. We gave her, we bottom water in it because it arrived very dry. My mom didn't like it, but I did. It's Fischeriana. You can see the variegation of it. Nice veins. And then it also arrived with a peduncle right here. So that's really nice. The little baby leaves comes out dark, little light green, and it comes with osmo coat already. So yeah. Hoya Fischeriana. You guys have met Turkey, but this right here, this is little Sophie. This is my little puppy. I had 5, 2 of them died, and I only have 3 now, and I have Turkey in the back. But this is little Sophia right here. She we used to have her outside, but now we have her inside. She just had fleas, and so we got rid of them. She has no more fleas, thankfully. But she's old. She's 12 years old already, and she's stuck an old granny. But I just love my little puppy, and I wanted you guys to meet her. So here is my little puppy, Sophie. Alright guys, so I want to come in to the end and give you guys a proper show of the plant because my mom said she didn't like it, but I did. So this is Hoya Fischeriana. I'll leave the name tag on the screen. But I feel like this Hoya arrived in very decent condition. It wasn't the best. I have to agree with my mom. It wasn't the best. But the Hoya, it does have a lot of new growth. Now my mom thought that the plant was dying, but it's not really dying. It is growing tendrils, and these little leaves right here that you guys can see that are like a lighter green, they're new leaves, so they're barely forming, and that's why they appear as if they're like dead, but they're actually new leaves. And so I'm kind of scared that the plant might probably die, or those little leaves are gonna die because of the transit. But you guys can see the color here, how green this is as opposed to the older one. Color difference, and also this one is new. You can just tell by the green color of it. So it does have a bunch of new leaves. It also arrived with a peduncle. If you guys could see it right here. Let me see if I could do a close-up. Here's the peduncle right here, guys. And you guys know, if you guys watch my channel, watch my Hoya unboxings and my videos, I love Hoyas with peduncles, and this one has a peduncle right there, and I'm very happy with that. But look at this leaf right here. Look at this veining. Look at that. Overall, I am happy with the plant. My mom is not. It's one of those plants that I feel like if I take really good care of it and I make this plant grow lush and big leaves, it's gonna be a Hoya that my mom would definitely like. Right now you cannot really address it, but it does have very nice veining on the leaves, and the veining looks very nice and strong. And I feel like when this plant gets established really well and starts to mature into bigger leaves, it'll do great. But overall, I feel like it's a very nice Hoya. I don't really see a lot of people talking about Hoya Fischeriana, but it looks like it's going to be a fast grower. I mean, it arrived with new tendrils and new leaves, and I feel like that's enough for me to be like, this is going to be a fast grower, kind of like a bubbly calyx or like a carnosa. It's on the thinner side, so I'm thinking it's going to probably need a little bit more water, so I'm going to give her a nice drink of water on the bottom, so like a bottom water it. And yeah, but anyways guys, I just really like this Hoya. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well, and thank you so much for watching. Kapun arigato, kasamasta. Don't forget to drink water your plants. And if you guys have your mom with you guys, or any relative that's also addicted to plants, I want to know who in your family has your crazy plant addiction, because for me it's my mom and my grandmother passed away. But and I love that I can share this with my mom because we both love plants, and so that's very nice. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching again. Kapag arigato, kasamasta. Bye.